Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laundry baskets that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Simple Houseware Heavy-Duty 3-Bag Laundry Sorter. Simple Houseware offers one of the best all-around rolling laundry carts on the market. With 3 different bins labeled for darks, lights, and colors, this rolling laundry sorter makes doing laundry a lot less complicated. Each bin holds 13 gallons worth of laundry, and each one has a smooth, waterproof finish. The frame is light but durable, with a slick chrome look. The casters feature brakes and can handle heavy loads on those hectic laundry days. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Caroeas 22-inch rolling slim laundry basket. If you're looking for a slimly made, straightforward laundry bin, then Caroeas has a perfect option for you. Its 22-inch rolling laundry basket is the perfect choice for those who need to save space, and for those who don't like to spend days at a time doing laundry. It's easy to carry or push from the dorm room to the washing machine in no time. With a multitude of color options available, this modern take on the laundry basket will blend right into any room where you might need it. The waterproof 600D Oxford fabric makes for a sturdy yet light basket, and you can fold it all down when not in use. At number 3, we have the Sterilite Ultra-Wheeled Hamper. Sterilite is one of the most popular brands among plastic household containers for a reason. It makes solid, attractive, and well-designed products, and its plastic laundry hamper on wheels is the perfect example of that. With a vented front side to allow airflow, a hinged lid, and a retractable pull handle, this hamper will make you the envy of the laundromat. Waterproof and easily washable, this rolling laundry basket may be the last one you ever need. At number 2, we have the Seville Classics Heavy-Duty Industrial Canvas Cart. You don't have to run a hotel to get the benefit of an industrial-quality laundry bin. Seville Classics offers a highly useful option for those who may have larger than average loads of laundry to get through. This large, sturdy bin has 4 multi-directional casters for easy maneuverability. At 27 inches high, the canvas polyester bin can hold large loads of laundry with ease. It also includes 2 thick canvas handles for easy portability. The stylish lettering gives an old-fashioned feel that can even make this basket a decorative piece, depending on your style. And finally, at number 1, we have the Songmics Laundry Basket. Songmics has created one of the most versatile wheeled laundry baskets you'll find anywhere. Designed to fit seamlessly into any laundry room, bedroom, or bathroom, this bin is neither too small nor too large. With a maximum load of 33 pounds, its powder-coated steel frame won't buckle when being wheeled around on busy laundry days. And its round design makes getting laundry in and out of the basket a breeze. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.